Warm the shoulders up before we do our push-ups. Using a little resistance band just to help get the shoulders, the chest, get blood up in there so they're good and loose, good and warm before we put some torque on them and doing push-ups. All right. All right. Up. Get some bicep curls, resistance band, and these really let you hit the whole bicep. There's tension all the way through. You get to actually turn that thumb out. You can really hit the whole bicep. All right, switch over. Same thing. Turn it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stretch out those hip flexors. Oh yeah. Take about, I don't know, 10 to 15 seconds to stretch them out. Switch it over. For me, one side is more flexible than the other, obviously, but that's common for most people. All right, we're getting ready to head out for a run. So I'm gonna loosen these hips up. We did our run yesterday. We only went a couple of miles. But today we'll go a few more before we head out to fly. Oh man, this feels good right here. just enough to warm them up. Really warm those hips up is the key. Hips and calves, lower back, everything else. Abs, ankles. All right. Oh yeah. Have a great day. Again, if you got value, like button. First time here, subscribe button. And invest in yourself, invest in your health. We'll talk to you tomorrow. And hit that like button right there. Okay, talk to you.